What's going on, guys? Gabe with ReviewDork, and I have some sensation in my face. I had a root canal today, but a promise is a promise. I was going to give you a 4 p.m. close video. At market open, hey, we got excited. We broke above the 200 EMA, the 50 EMA, and then we had a breakdown in the price structure. And we dipped all the way low. We dipped very, very low, all the way down to 40.24. Now, I want you guys to pay attention to something here, right? Because here on this channel, we not only cover TA, but psychology, right? And things that could help you with your psychology. So first off, we tend to stay away from the 1 minute chart unless we're scalping a stock, right? So for just your mental health, stay the hell away from the 1 minute chart. However, when you zoom in and you zoom out, you could see perspective changes. The dip doesn't look as dramatic. Now, we see consolidation throughout the day, and we see starting at or about noon, we have consolidation going all the way to about 2:30. For me, consolidation's a show of strength. We did have a breakdown in price, but then AMC recovered ever so slightly. And we thought it was trending with the S&P, but unfortunately it did not hold. I'm not too worried about this. Yes, you guys are seeing a red day at 39.98 and down 0.25%. Okay, big whoop. But I would still consider today a win. Why? Because we have volume. Volume is 40 million. And when we compare that to the average volume over 3 months at 88 million, this is telling us something. And we're going to get to that in a second. What we have to do is provide you with the obligatory short interest data, currently 20%. Now you guys know that once short interest reaches at or about 15% or above 10%, it's time to start paying attention. But when we see 20%, that means red flag, and it almost tells me that the shorts are acting recklessly. So I want you guys to pay attention to the most recent data on days to cover and estimated short interest and estimated short interest percentage of the free float. And these lines here, they're all trending upwards. But I'm going to give you guys a sense of deja vu here. And I want you guys to pay attention to the volume. And we have May 10th at 41 million. We had a slight uptick in volume on May 11th, May 12th, and then we had a breakout in price action before we went to the moon. Now that wasn't really the moon. It was just $72, right? But there's a sense, at least in the community, that the squeeze is getting closer and closer. And for me, days to cover is a very valuable indicator. And when we see here, if we go back to just before that squeeze, we had days to cover at 3.6 days. Seeing AMC's days to cover increase is something, well, we all want to see. And what attributes to that? Low volume. Today, not really much to talk about. And if you guys feel defeated, no reason to feel defeated. And you're going to have the shills and the shorts and the bots coming out and saying, hey, sell your AMC. It's over. No, it's not. They've been saying it's over since January. Right now, my conviction has never been greater. Tomorrow's Friday. And I know it was a whirlwind week. We had Evergrande, we had the Fed meeting, and now we feel as if Evergrande was an overreaction. And so, yeah, I think it was. This is Gabe. I'm signing out. Also, for those who ordered the Coke and Hookers t-shirt, thank you so much for your support. They are going out today. The first batch being shipped today. So let me know in the comment section once you get your shirts. Let me know. Follow me on Twitter or follow me on Instagram. Send me a picture of you rocking your shirt. And for those who haven't gotten in or purchased that shirt, maybe you're shit out of luck, or maybe I should extend the run. Don't know. That's up to you. This is Gabe. I'm signing out. Peace.